if you have hooded eyes, follow these simple rules to make them look gorgeous. So what is hooded eyes? Look straight in the mirror and observe your eyes. How much of your eyelid can you actually see? Very little to nothing at all, and is there more hiding beneath some extra skin or the hood? Now that's hooded eyes. Sometimes you'll also observe a crease line somewhere on your lid just below your socket. Makeup on hooded eyes can be a bit more complicated, and if not done right, it can make your eyes look droopy. So I will show you some simple steps to keep them looking gorgeous. I'm going to compare and contrast, so this side is going to be my bad side and this side is going to be my good side. When you do your eyebrows, don't pull it too low. That's going to reduce the gap between your eyes and your eyebrows, giving the illusion of further droopy eyes. Instead, just filling in the sparse areas and keeping the arch high keeps that distance between the eyes and the eyebrows and opens up everything, giving the illusion of bigger and brighter eyes. Always set your primer with some loose powder. Remember, with hooded eyes, you might have an extra crease line. So if you don't set your concealer or a primer with loose powder, it's going to settle in those fine lines and it's going to look more prominent. While highlighting your brow bone, if you bring the highlighter way low onto your hood, it's going to highlight the hood, make it look bigger and brighter. That'll make your eyes look smaller and unattractive. Instead, for a clean look, keep the highlighter just below the arch of your eyebrows. While applying eyeshadows, don't stop at the crease line because that's going to hide under the hood and you won't be able to see your eye makeup. Instead, use this cheat sheet to go way above your crease so when you open your eyes, the eyeshadows can be visible. Further, using a darker color in the outer corner creates depth and definition to your new crease. So you've skipped the crease line and created a new crease for yourself. Contouring or using a darker color on your lid pushes the lid further behind under the hood. Instead, using a lighter color on your lid brings it forward and makes it more visible. Using a light color shimmer or a glitter right in the center of the lid gives the illusion of a more rounded and bigger lid. And highlighting the inner corners separates the eyes out further, giving the illusion of bigger and brighter eyes. To balance the lid colors, try to apply a darker color in the outer corner of the lower lash line and a lighter color in the inner corner. That gives more definition to your eyes. Try not to drag a darker color eyeshadow all the way to the inner corner. Sometimes that can make your eyes look tired. And never use a shimmer eyeshadow throughout your lower lash line. Using a darker color in your waterline as a contrast to the white in your eyes pops your eyes and makes it look brighter. All of us love a good matte eyeliner with a big, bold, beautiful wing in the corners, don't we? But with hooded eyes, we don't, because it hides underneath the hood. You can barely see the eyeliner. It makes your eyes look small. And what happened to that big, bold wing? It's again hiding beneath the hood, making it look like a thin line. And even worse, sometimes your eyeliner can smudge and stick to your hood. Instead, apply your eyeliner very close to the lash line. And if you really need a wing, try to keep it small and away from the hood. Before applying false lashes, always prep your natural lashes with a coat of mascara. And for lashes, try to get something that's light and wispy in the center and winged in the outer corner. That way you can see the eye makeup in the center and the wing in the outer corner hides the hood. Try to avoid lashes that are thick and dense in the center. That'll hide your eyelids further. And always finish up with a coat of mascara to your lower lashes to balance your upper lashes. So that's pretty much it, you guys. You can clearly see the difference between the two eyes. I hope this video was helpful to many of you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you want to watch more videos like these. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.